Welcome to another weekend where we do our market outlook and the price action that happened during the week. And before I go into this video, please, I'm getting low views on my YouTube channel. I don't know for what reason. It's the views is just like reducing. I'm just getting like 7 to 5 views or something. Please, I urge you to like send these videos to other people. And YouTube, please try to push my videos to others so they can listen to stuff like this, because this is very useful to like maybe people that are finding it how to understand price action and the rest of them. Please, I would love you to share my videos, comment, like, share, and please help my YouTube to grow. So without wasting much of the time, let's just like dive into this section. um what happened last week? But there was not too much news on the fundamentals. It was just like Monday I think we had no news, I think so. Yeah, but it's just like President Trump speak, same thing on Tuesday. Wednesday no news, so just like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was no news basically. On Thursday we had although it was revised, but it was still negative for dollar. So it was, I think we had a sell on the GXL. No, I think dollar was bullish on Thursday. Last week, I said last week. This week was still crazy though. Was Yeah, it was positive to dollar. On this day, it was negative. Yeah, on unemployment claim. But one thing I understand about this unemployment claim, probably, I always tell my friends that I don't like this guy. It's always very tricky. Do you get? It's always very tricky. I don't like the price action for unemployment claims. So I think on that particular day, market was just buying and selling at the same time on gold, but on DXY it was just buying generally. Do you get? So on Thursday, on Friday was bullish too. So yeah. So as of the last video I made, I think I said something about being bullish, but along the week I saw a potential sales or sales on gold and the rest. So I think I was big on sales this week, but it wasn't a bad week after all, because I ended up with a a big win for me. Although I didn't recover what I lost during the week, but at least I hit TP, so at least I recovered like how many percent on my capital. So yeah. So now let's go into the fundamental. Now, what am I seeing on BTC is I'm still seeing potential sales, right? Now I draw my fib. Look, this is how I draw my fib, right? I like to use my line chart, because most times the candlesticks is just to give us like manipulation. Do you get? So currently price is still not at the 50% of the retracement, but on the candlesticks you can see that price is reacting on this 50%, right? Now a deep retracement should happen at least at 62% or 79. So I still think there is still a potential sales, number one. Then number two is, at least now we have a month. This is a monthly candle, right? This is the last month low. So obviously I want to see price take out the last month low before going up. So just like accumulation, then manipulation, and then the distribution. Now mind you, there's something called market correction. This is not me saying that I'm still big on team bearish or something. No, I'm still team bullish, but I'm just looking for a market correction. Do you get? For a market continuation. Now if you look at this is a break of structure. Obviously I'm supposed to see a retracement, then the continuation. Now if you look at the weekly time frame, you can see whenever price do like a break of structure, we always see something like a retracement. I don't know, this is not a paid trading view, but so I know there was a break of structure here, then price came back and retraced. This is an inducement, right? Then break of structure, then the retracement, you can see into this zone. Then now this is a break of structure. Obviously I'm going to see a retracement into this zone. So I was expecting a sell, but like I said on the last video, I'm not too certain. That's why I said, because market has been approaching this zone like multiple times, and you might, the one thing about all those price action or the market maker or whatever, you when I think they always like to do a move when you don't expect that move. Do you get? Because there are so many times market has been approaching this side, but I think when there's like less volume on the market, that's when they would like to like do that their deep retracement or buy the dip or something. So yeah. So for me, next week I'm still very big um on what's it called, BTC. So just like I just then I think what I would do basically just to go on lower time frame and look for possible. I saw this stock, but I didn't take the trades. I was supposed to take this thing on, I think it was on Thursday, yeah. But because of the news, I closed. I no, I forgot. I don't think I should be trade or something. I've forgotten. I'll check my journal after. Yeah, because of this thing, I close out. Right, DX2 is still very bullish right now, and I was still, like that's why I said I'll still be very big on sales on gold, BTC, and the rest of them. Now this is Thursday. Remember, I said on that news, although it was negative, right, but it was still very positive to dollar on the chart. You get, so you can see it was a positive. It was a huge buy on Thursday, followed by Friday buy. So so I'm still now. Obviously, I'm seeing a fair value gap here, a potential retracement or this guy. Right, so expect any reaction from any of this soon, yeah, or next week. Gold, what am I saying currently? This is my favorite pair so far. Now, the mistake I made last week, I added, that's one thing about you being a forex trader. You can never be too, sometimes you might just choose to break your rules, and I'm a human being. So when I saw it was not adding up, I had to like take out that pair out of my watch list because, yeah, I don't want anything that will stress my life. So this was the trade I took on Friday, and I straight to TP. So yeah. So yeah, I when I saw this stuff on, I think it was on 4 hours, right? Now this was a bit confusing, right? Because this guy broke this structure, right? So obviously, let's say if I draw my fee from year to year, right? I will expect a deep retracement, maybe on this guy here, right? But when I went to on the when I looked at this stuff on the lower time frame, I could see that I'm not seeing any valid like another block there, right? You can see that like the mitigation is clean except from this guy, right? So now this was the last break of structure to the downside, right? Now look at this last break of structure to the downside. Then I think I entered after the news or something. No. I entered before the news. Yeah. The news was 2:30. Abi? I think I entered after the news. I think I've forgotten, but I know I I saw a break of structure. Then this fair value gap, right? This fair value gap. Then I took my trade at this point here. Then I will show you on my journal, and that's how I caught my sales on Friday, and it was straight to TP. This is 125. Yes, when I hit the TP, I just closed. I don't want to be too greedy because shit like this have happened to me. When you don't close, now you can see how market just retrace back. And obviously, you want to like take out this guy maybe next week before selling again. So yeah, now let's look at the monthly time frame on gold. All this stuff. So this is a break of structure. So I would love to see something like a reaction on this, maybe fair value gap. Was not too clean on the monthly. Let me see if I could see something on the on the weekly. So we are currently at this zone here, right? But to be honest, I do not see any imbalance on this particular range for me to here, except this guy here. So let's just see if I will just like deep, give me a deep retracement, maybe react on this week to week, right? Let me put this in mind, right? Put this in mind, guys. That I've marked this side before. Thank God, price came back and reacted on my 50% of this fair value gap, right? So let's look at the daily time frame. What am I saying? Still the okay. Now you can see on the week to week, I could see a retracement on the fair value gap. So then I will now refine this stuff down to this proportion block here. So maybe I will expect a reaction on this side here. Since my moving average is like curving, trying to tell me that okay, it's going to be above the current market price. Same thing. Look at one thing I understand about this moving average. If it is very far from the current market price, that tells you we are still on the downtrend, right? If it's very close, that is giving you like a potential market correction. Do you get maybe a change of character? If it's still very far like this, close your mind. If I be selling, do you get? So yeah, you can see the more 1 hour I see is very it's getting close. So that's telling you that okay, maybe market can like get to this side or maybe buy or to an extent, maybe reach here again, then maybe start to sell back again. I don't know. So I've noticed this man. This is the only you can see how it was closed now. It's not giving me a correction. Do you see? Can you see? I mean, you can see how far it is from here now. So this is telling me okay, market is still on the buy side now on the 15-minute time frame. Do you get? Until I see a market this a line curve, right? Then that will tell me okay now market is about to change to a sell trend or something. So yeah, that's how I use my moving average basically. So you can also like try to backtest that stuff and see if it will work fine for you. So yeah. So for next week, I'll take. Let me look for a potential sell for next week. The only guy I'm seeing currently right now is this a proportion block. So I would love to see a reaction on this zone or on this zone. So yeah, the correction here, the correction here, then before selling again. So yeah, that's it for this week. So now let's look at my journal for last week. I said for last week, for this week, sorry. Yo, last week, this is Sunday. Sorry, I was supposed to make this video yesterday, but something happened. Yeah, I traveled. So you can see I lost. You see the JBY that I added. I lost. Then break even, right? One break even, then potential win at the end. Sorry. Shit. Oh, I didn't register. I didn't documented the last trade I took. I didn't documented the last trade I took. I think I did that stuff now. Let me check. Why am I not? I think I did now. Look at it here now. This is the trade now. Okay, no. This was the one it was at 2,900. Okay, yeah, this was the trade here. After this video now, like document this. But let me just like do it now. Okay. On Friday was 28. I think I still short. My equity was 1,000. Um, I saw a resistance zone, a break of structure, total soup, AMD, fair value gap, and an OB. And I'll add this conference letter. Let me just like 0.2. Let me see if it is the one. This video is getting. No, it's not the video. I thought I downloaded this stuff on Friday. I don't know what I'm seeing right now. Yeah, got it now. You can see how I took my trade here. So I set an alert here in this line here. When I got the alert, that's how I took my trade. Okay, look on 30 minutes. You can see. So yeah, I think I don't know when I entered. I think it was after the news or before the news. No, I think I entered before the news. The market started like doing some kind of like manipulation. Then it gave me this sell before the news. Yeah. Now I remember. It gave me this sell before the news. Then after the news, then it's like give me retracement. Then all selling to the downside. So yeah. So now let me pull my after downloaded. What is happening? So I'm going to put London because I entered before 2 p.m. So still London section. My stop loss was 50 pips. I won. You can see it wasn't a bad week after all. 2 loss, 1 break even, 1 win. I think I covered these 2 loss. But what I'm recovering from was a mistake, but I don't want to say that stuff. So yeah, and I did 500, and yeah, it was a good trade. Oh, so the market is closed. So yeah, current equity. So yeah, see you guys on the next video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Okay, the next week we are going to have. Next week we are going to have ISM, NFP. I think this is NFP. Yeah, no. This is NFP on Friday because NFP always happen on the first Friday of the month. Yeah, so yeah. So let's see what happens next week. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed.